Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Will, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to retrieve different parameters and values from the stocks that you've entered into Excel. So I recommend you guys watch the previous video where I show you how to enter values into Excel before you ever go at this one. So if you've entered them into Excel, it's relatively easy to retrieve a whole bunch of different parameters associated with each stock, right? So let's say we wanted to retrieve the industry name for the A2 milk company, right? So we simply select the industry name. The stock has to be entered into Excel for this to work. And what you'll notice is after we click on this cell, there's a whole bunch of different menu options that have now appeared for us to scroll through and select. Now, these are all of the different values for the A2 milk company that Excel tracks and updates, right? So in this case, we're after the industry. So we select the cell and then we go full stop. And then we scroll down, we find industry. So just double click industry. And then if we hit enter, now the industry name has been returned for the A2 milk company. And the great thing about Excel is that if you've got an equation, you can simply drag that down. So no need to type it in again. Let's fit that properly. Okay, so another thing that Excel tracks is the price of our different stocks, right? So let's retrieve the price for the A2 milk company. It's a very similar process to retrieving the industry name. We simply select the cell, right? Full stop. And as you can imagine, we're after the price. So the value that we're after, or the parameter we're after, is called price. So double click that and then enter, right? Cool, and just drag that down. Awesome. So let's say we want to find the value of our new investments, right? So we have these existing investments. We've bought a few different investments. So here are the existing ones. We've bought some new investments and we've used these two to find our new investments, which are simply the sum of these two cells, right? So let's find the value, okay? The value of this new investment is going to be the number of each stock that we own multiplied by the price, right? So the way we do that is we just have to select the current price and we're just going to multiply it, which in Excel is just that little star symbol there. And we're just going to multiply it by the new investment. Okay, so let's hit enter. Cool. And it's even formatted as the correct data type because the current price is formatted correctly as a price. So let's drag this down. Cool. So these are the values of all of our different stocks. Our existing investments, the same idea, but now we're just going to use the value from the existing investments to work it out. Excellent. So I'll see you guys in the next video.